Felicia here. We met with Siser today, and there is some amazing new stuff in vinyl and tools for this machine. Let's take a look. Hey, Felicia here with Crafting Fun with Family Unit, and we're here today at the ISA show in Orlando, and we're with Siser. This is Lily, who does trade show marketing for them. Hey, Lily, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. Can you tell us what's new and exciting in vinyl in the Siser world?
Oh my gosh, there are so many new and exciting things that we are ready to show you guys. We have some awesome new materials like our Easy Reflective, several new colors of that. Holographic Eclipse is a super cool tone-on-tone black material that's shiny and matte. You gotta see it in person to love it. And we also have our super cool strip flock jerseys that we're doing, layers on layers. It looks awesome.
And tell us about your puff vinyl. I saw metallic puff.
Yes, we offer a metallic puff now too, in addition to all the other colors that we offer. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. It's a two-step application process, so that makes the perfect puff every time.
That's awesome. And your regular puff vinyl, does it come out nice and smooth? Or I've had, I guess, bad luck, maybe, if that's what you want to call it, of getting it to look like brains.
It can come out looking like brains if you go a little too high on the temperature.
Gotcha.
So you want to make sure to watch out for your temperature and really firm pressure. The application steps are important on puff, but when you get it right, it looks awesome.
That's awesome, thank you. And we heard about some new tools that are coming out. Can you tell us about those?
Yes, we have two new tools for our Romeo and Juliet cutters. Let me pull those out for you guys real quick. They are our etch and crease tools. So this allows you to etch and crease on acrylic, cardstock, metal. You can do all kinds of stuff.
What are the differences between Romeo and Juliet besides the size? Are there any differences?
There's not a whole lot of differences between them. They both work with the same tools. They both have an awesome touchscreen interface. The biggest difference is probably a little bit the look. Juliet has a little dust cover hood, and Romeo's an open space, so it's easier to work with for your business when you're just rocking and rolling all the time.
Awesome, awesome. And where can I buy Siser vinyl?
So we are a manufacturer, so that means you have to purchase through a distributor. We have so many distributors across the US as well as South America. So the easiest way, to be honest, so I don't have to list all of them right here, would be to reach out to us at info@siserna.com, and that'll connect you with us and we'll direct you to someone in your area.
That is awesome. And can you tell us of any new and exciting things that are coming up in the pipeline?
I do have one really exciting thing I'm so excited to show you guys. At this show, it's not as big of a thing, but if you guys come see us at Printing United in September, this is going to be like a super splash. We have a new material called Pure HT, and it is compostable. So after 180 days, it is biodegradable. Isn't that amazing?
That's interesting.
So cool.
That's interesting. Very cool.
Yeah, so that's going to be coming out very soon. It's already available in Italy, so that's where we're from.
Lily, thank you very much for your time. Appreciate it.
Oh, thank you guys so much. I'm glad you came by.
Thanks.